Introduction. Language profoundly shapes the way we think by influencing how we perceive, categorize, and interpret the world. The relationship between language and thought is a central topic in cognitive science and linguistics, with implications for understanding human cognition and communication. The Sapir-Whorf hypothesis. The Sapir-Whorf hypothesis, or linguistic relativity, suggests that the structure of a language affects its speaker's worldview and cognition. According to this theory, different languages impose distinct cognitive frameworks, influencing how people think about time, space, and other concepts. For example, languages with multiple words for colors may lead speakers to perceive color differences more acutely. Language and perception. Language shapes perception by providing categories and labels for experiences. The words we use influence how we categorize and interpret sensory information. For instance, languages with multiple terms for different shades of blue can lead speakers to perceive and distinguish between these shades more clearly than languages with a single term for blue. Influence on memory. Language also affects memory by shaping how we encode and retrieve information. The way events are described and categorized in language can influence how they are remembered. Research has shown that people tend to recall details that align with the linguistic labels and structures used during encoding. Cultural perspectives. Language reflects and reinforces cultural perspectives, shaping how people understand and interact with their environment. Different cultures have unique linguistic concepts that influence their members' cognitive processes. For example, some languages have specific terms for social relationships that shape how speakers think about and navigate social interactions. Gender and language. Language influences perceptions of gender by reinforcing societal norms and expectations. The use of gendered language can shape attitudes and behaviors related to gender roles. Languages with gender-neutral pronouns may encourage more egalitarian views of gender compared to languages with strictly gendered pronouns. Time and space. Languages vary in how they conceptualize time and space. Some languages use spatial metaphors to describe time, e.g., looking forward to the future, while others use different spatial references. These linguistic differences can affect how speakers perceive and understand temporal and spatial concepts. Language and problem solving. The structure of language can impact problem-solving and decision-making processes. Languages with rich vocabulary for specific domains, e.g., legal or scientific terms, can facilitate more precise thinking and analysis in those areas. Conversely, languages with less specialized terminology may require more generalized thinking. Bilingualism and cognitive flexibility. Bilingualism has been shown to enhance cognitive flexibility, allowing individuals to switch between different linguistic and cognitive frameworks. Bilingual individuals often exhibit improved problem-solving skills and greater adaptability in thinking due to their ability to navigate multiple linguistic systems. Conclusion. Language shapes the way we think by influencing perception, memory, and cognitive processes. The structure and vocabulary of a language provide frameworks for understanding the world and affect how we categorize and interpret experiences. By examining the interplay between language and thought, we gain insight into the complexities of human cognition and communication.